Hello everyone, welcome back. And today I'm going to talk about who will win in a fight in Titan Cameraman and Titan Speakerman versus Titan TV Man. Whereas we all know that Titan TV Man is currently the strongest Titan ever to live, so we are going to compare the two other Titans to him. Okay, so let's start. And let's start with the normal basis, which is strength and abilities. So if we talk about strength, the most feats we have seen in strength base is of course the Titan Cameraman's. Titan TV does really push weights and many things, but Titan Cameraman beats him with many feats, which is of course pretty obvious because Titan Cameraman is really based off his strength, which really gives him the edge in strength and anywhere else. Which means in strength wise, the two Titans wins because of course Titan Speakerman does not really compare in strength, but of course he really has some strength as well. But Titan Cameraman alone can beat Titan TV Man in strength basis. Next is speed and many more. And of course, this round of course goes to many bases. You cannot really just simplify how much speed can be divided into, because of course there's travel speed and fighting speed. If we talk about travel speed, there's of course no chance that the two Titans are beating Titan TV Man, because of course Titan TV Man got a teleportation ability which is just too powerful, which is exclusive for his race, and it's really powerful and useful in travels. But of course in fighting basis, Titan Speakerman takes the edge here because of course he's the most agile Titan there is to ever live, and he can take the smoothest movement ever to seen, and that answers your question. But of course I'm going to give the speed round to Titan TV Man because of course he get the more travel speed, which means Titan TV Man has 1 point and the two Titans have 1 point. Now is the real factor which can matter the most here, which is durability. Now if you agree or do not agree with me, I really don't think that Titan TV Man can be anywhere near Titan Cameraman's durability. Titan TV Man's main points are really fragile and can't even defend itself. I mean, from the last mistake in episode 47, he could have at least wear protection on his screen, but no, it's just same as before. And of course Titan TV Man can't really help but get his TV is broken, which is really bad for him because of course that's one of his main abilities. So the durability round goes to Titan Cameraman and Titan Speakerman, which leads them to 2 points and have the lead. Now the next is abilities, which is a really important factor in this fight. Now as in abilities, Titan TV Man has many abilities including his rays, which can never be useful against his own Titans, because of course Titan Cameraman always wears a lens which is of course not reachable easily, and Titan Speakerman is not affected by this light because of course he doesn't have a camera, which means Titan TV Man stands no chance abilities against these Titans because of course these Titans contain many abilities including Titan Speakerman, which can anything do but his ultrasounds, which is really important and really useful against Titan TV Man because of course he can deflect his projectiles like his rays from his core and many more things like his projectiles. And in Titan Cameraman he can throw cores, lasers, which is really powerful and not a projectile, which means he can really damage Titan Speakerman as well, but of course he can damage Titan TV Man as well, which leads them to another point, which is 3 and 1 to Titan Cameraman. Now next one is weapons, and weapons is just too important in this scenario because this is one of the most important and crucial moments to decide who can win. If we talk about weapon, Titan TV Man does not really stand out in them because of course he relies on his ability of TV rays, and of course his teleportation abilities to escape, and he never really focuses on his abilities and weapons. He got weapons on his TV, which is really important, and many more weapons like core, laser and many more. But of course the two Titans have many more weapons than Titan TV Man, including their blasters, their jet blasters, their jet packs and many more like their head lasers and side lasers. And of course Titan Speakerman's knives, which is really important and really useful to break Titan TV Man's screens, which leads to another point to the two Titans. And now the last and final factor here, which is fighting skills and fighting styles, which of course there is no way Titan TV Man is winning this one as well, because of course Titan TV Man does not rely on physical combat but on his abilities too much. So that clearly means that Titan Cameraman and Titan Speakerman are getting the edge on this as well, because of course Cameraman race has to fight in physical combat because they got no way else to do anything else, and Titan Speakerman race has to do one of the same things, which leads them to a glorious victory, which is really important for them because of course Titan TV Man is a hard opponent to take down, but they can take down him together, and that's not really even a question. And of course that's going to be it for today. I hope you will comment what you want to see next day, and yeah, that's it almost. And of course don't forget to like and subscribe. to of course see more videos like this and enjoy more.